Hi, I am Matthew Lucas and today I'm going to show you how to change genuine JCB bucket teeth on a 3CX. It's a simple job that makes a big difference to your digging performance. Before you start, make sure the machine is parked safely, the engine is switched off and the machine is isolated. Make sure you have the correct tools, the correct PPE for removing the teeth. So firstly, use some maintenance spray to spray on the nuts. Use the correct tool, like I'm using a nut runner, to undo the nuts. The side cutters will need an extra spanner, 29mm, to hold to remove the pin at the side. Get it back into the machine, lift the bucket up, use a hammer to remove the bolts and to remove the tooth. To install the new tooth, slide the tooth into position, relocate the new bolts and finger tight the nuts. Then to refasten using a nut runner or a ratchet. Once fitted, check the alignment, give the bucket a test. You'll notice the difference straight away. Smoother digging and less effort on the machine. Always choose genuine JCB teeth, proving performance now for less.